We're out here about to make these snow penguin. Got the penguin right there. Probably make about 3 of them or so. Okay, so you can pack the snow in. Spray some water to harden the snow.
This is Phase Ed Music.
So we'll see if this is gonna actually look like a little penguin. Oh, we got him! He did it! That's a penguin! Well, he's got a little dent in his head. Come on, you got his little mouth there. Our second try at the penguin. Our first penguin kind of failed a little bit. I mean, not too bad, but it was missing part of its head, so we put a little bit more water in this one, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay. Alright, so. Oh, its head! Gosh darn it! Oh man, what happened? I think it's. The snow is too soft. Well, he's kind of looking penguinish. Hey, look at him from front. He's looking a little like a penguin.
This is Phase Ed Music.
Oh no! Wait! Oh no, man! What happened? His head keeps coming off. Poor penguin. I don't think he's gonna work. This one is actually the best one. This one actually is the best one. And then his little brother. Right, so they didn't quite come out as planned. Again, this is powdery snow. I think it's better if the snow is a little harder.
Yeah, a little wet.
Yeah, because it just snowed yesterday.